In this video, we are going to guide you how to create a social media post in PowerPoint. Step 1. Create a new PowerPoint file or a presentation. Rename it and save it according to your choice. Set the slide layout to blank. Step 2. Go to Design tab, then Customize Group, click Slide Size, and select Custom Slide Size. In the dialog box, enter the width and height 28.575 centimeters, which is equal to 1080 pixels. That is a standard social media post size. Step 3. Go to Insert tab in the Images group, click Pictures, and insert the picture. Step 4. Write or copy-paste the text and format it. Set the font, size, color, and style according to your taste. If you want to learn more about writing Urdu on PC, Windows, let us know in the comments, and we will make a video guiding you step by step. You can download the project file from the description and practice it on your own. Step 5. Save the project file as JPG or PNG.